28905. Is the radio contest on? Is it on?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's on. SM City 3-day sale. Okay. So our question right now, since you heard of the details, is kailan Take two. Ikaw nga, Tin. Question for today is?
Kailan ang SM City Olongapo 3-day sale?
Ayan. And the answer, syempre, sasagot yung tumatawag. Ayan, somebody's calling. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello there.
Hello, hi. What's your name?
It's me, Renaline of LT Dental.
Again?
Renaline of LT Dental. Ayan. Since you're going to join a radio contest, we need to get your full name.
Renaline Cabasal.
Renaline.
Tagalog. Renalin, Tagalog.
Talagang inispell, ano?
Yes, Cabasal.
Para sigurado nga naman, ano? Renaline Cabasal.
Yes.
Ayan. Okay, also we need to get your address and phone number and bring your own Dropbox. The address and phone number muna.
Address, Block 23, Uba Street, Gordon Heights, Olongapo City.
Block what?
Block 23,
Mhm.
Ubas Street.
Ubas.
Hindi Apple.
Ubas Street.
Yes.
Okay.
Gordon Heights, Olongapo City.
Gordon Heights, Olongapo City. The reason why I keep repeating that kasi may mga may secretary ako rito eh.
Wow.
Yeah. Meron akong 2 sexitary. Minor nga lang.
Pag ginawa ko yan, join kita. DJ din ako.
Okay. So sagot ka muna sa tanong. Ayan. Alam mo na ba yung sagot dun sa sa question natin? The question once again, I'm gonna repeat for you. Kailan ang SM City Olongapo 3-day sale, Renaline?
Gusto mo ba kompleto talaga?
Sige.
Sige, get 3-day sale February 13, 14, 15 and get a chance to win Suzuki Rider motorcycle J115 F1 and enjoy up to 70% discount on choices mall-wide. On Friday, February 12 from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight. And on Saturday and Sunday, February 13 to 14, 10 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Wow naman, kompletong-kompleto. Parang spokesperson of SM, ha?
Oo nga eh. Ako na lang kaya.
The 3-day sale. Galing. Uy, congratulations, Renaline. You're the winner! Yay! Ayan, okay.
Dapat dalawa na yan ni Del pinopromote ko yung Saburi.
Oo nga.
Every day.
Oo, Saburi na siguro bahala sa'yo. Oo. Yung Saburi naman, sila na rin yung bahala sa aming tatlo. Tatlo na, ha?
Oo, tapos.
3 kami ngayon. Saburi, ha? Okay, congratulations to you, Renaline. You may claim your prize at SM. Okay, punta ka sa SM. Doon mo i-claim. Winners can claim the prizes on February 13, Friday. Sa Friday po ang claiming ng prize, ha? From 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the 5th floor of SM City Admin Office.
Sa 5th floor talaga.
Sa 5th floor, oh. Look for Vanessa, ha?
Okay.
She is the marketing assistant.
Friday talaga?
Friday ang claiming. May schedule silang binigay eh. from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? Kung gusto mo, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., wala ka nga abutan.
Payag.
Okay, congratulations, Renaline. All right. So, would you like to greet your friends, relatives, enemies?
Siyempre, may babatiin ako.
Sige, go. Greet.
Hello nga pala sa lahat ng listeners sa Saburi Harbor Point. Agad-agad. Sige. Siyempre, thank you sa Saburi.
Okay.
Saburi, 2 na yan,
Uh-huh.
Sir Gerald, kay Sir Lennon, Rafi, Reggie, Chef Lito, John Rose, Ben, Alvin, Kevin, Robert, Christoph, sa Saburi Olongapo, si Sir Jello, Sir Gary, Sir Aldwin, Chef Jason, Chef Oji, Chris, Rufa, Julo, and Maybelline. Diba? Si Sir Jello, hello sa'yo.
Okay.
Sabi ko, batiin kita ng SM Saburi Olongapo.
Alright.
Diba? Tsaka syempre, binabati ko po yung boss ko, si Sir Nestor Publico, si Dr. Leo Publico, yung mga anak niya, si Gian K, tsaka si Bea. At nakikinig din ata si Dr. Mark Mallorca, hello sa'yo. Tsaka listener mo dyan sa Fund Line. Hello kay Sir Neil Nepomuceno, tsaka kay Telma. Tapos lahat ng best friend ko sa Olongapo, sa Gordon Heights.
Daming best friend.
May Andesu, Sheila Marie Cerezo, Angelica Maborang, and Ana May Bernardino. Tsaka lahat ng nakikinig dyan Sa, sa Essential Drugstore.
Mga kaaway mo, greet mo rin.
Sa, sa Essential kay Ate Cathy Garcia, kay Kajar Garcia, kay Aldrich Franz, Ana Marimar, Ate Linda, lahat ng mga staff dyan sa Essential. Tsaka sa Gising 24 hours drugstore. lahat sila. Hello sa inyo lahat.
Alright, happy listening you all. Thank you for listening. Ayan. And thank you for calling, Renalyn.
Oo.
Alright.
Magre-request ako, Pet.
Oh, sure. Play natin bukas. Hindi, joke lang. Sige.
Wala kang topic, wala pa?
Mamaya pang konti.
Best in Me ng
Best
Blue.
in Me ng Blue.
Opo.
Alright, sige. We're gonna put that on the playlist.
Teka lang, may nakalimutan pala ako.
May nakalimutan ka,
Sino? Sobra, magagalit siya sa akin.
You've gone ultrasonic. Sinong nakalimutan mo?
Hello pala kay especially kay Chef Anan Malonzo. Nakalimutan ko siya. Hello, mahal. Ingat ka.
Mahal.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sige na.
Nakikinig ba siya?
Oo. Ewan ko lang.
Alam niyang kayo.
Ay!
Hindi, biro lang. Siyempre, alam niya.
Sabi ko sa kanya.
Okay, thank you, Renalyn, for calling.
Okay, thank you so much.
And tell us before you say goodbye, of course, what's your favorite radio station?
Of course, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, our first winner, si Renalyn. Okay, congratulations kay Renalyn. We're not done yet giving away prizes. Mamaya meron pa, ha? So you better stay tuned. But for the meantime, let's play this requested song. Ayan yung request nung huling tumawag. Of course, this is Blue, Best in May. This is 89.5.
Subic Bay Radio.
Ay, patay. Wala bang mas malungkot doon? This is 89.5.
Subic Bay Radio.
Here's Blue, Best in May, requested. You're listening to The Morning Brew.